What is co-opetition? Find out in the February 2025 issue of Onsite Installer. But first, have you heard about our new Pumper Pro and Installer podcast? Listen in on in-depth discussions with folks just like you. We cover equipment, real-world stories, marketing, and business strategies from professionals in the field. Visit onsiteinstaller.com/podcast and check it out. In our cover story, Kyle Nix isn't just running a family business. He's shaping the future of Indiana's on-site wastewater industry. As president of the state's Wastewater Association, he's lobbied for legislative changes that benefit both customers and installers. Find out how his philosophy about competition makes him a business leader. Tight spaces, challenging clay soils, and old systems to replace. When Bayshore Construction took on a septic tank replacement job at a mobile home park, they quickly realized the site would be more complicated than expected. When it comes to on-site wastewater systems, knowing the hydraulic loading rate is just the beginning. But what about mass loading? It's a crucial factor that's often overlooked. Flip to page 22 for more. Marcus Kaplan turned a side hustle into a thriving full-service septic business in just a few years. How did he quickly grow a customer base despite starting young? When tight job sites call for precision, this Yanmar mini excavator answers with power and efficiency. With 25% faster travel speed and zero tail swing, this machine elevates productivity in confined spaces. Staying on top of rules and regulations is a vital part of running an installation business. We've got you covered on page 32. Lastly, a note from the editor. As the housing market swings, more buyers are skipping septic inspections to outbid competitors, leading to costly problems down the road. Learn ways to buck this trend. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.